Hi clickers, let's learn English with me. Okay, today we're gonna learn about while versus when in past action. So, I want to say in English and bahasa ya guys, mixed together. So while it's mean long action. While is used with a long action, an action that continues for some time. The verb is usually in past continuous was or were plus verb ing. Okay, the meaning is two action happen at the same time or one long action continues in the background. Example, while I was cooking, my friend was watching TV. While they were studying, it started to rain. Oke, while long action or two long action at the same time. Jadi sekarang saya jelasin ke bahasa Indonesia ya. Jadi while itu adalah long action. Jadi kegiatan yang membutuhkan waktu lama untuk melakukannya. Nah, biasanya kita memakai past continuous. Itu rumusnya adalah was slash were and verb ing. Nah, ada juga boleh misalnya two action happen at the same time. Dua kejadian yang terjadi di waktu bersamaan dan juga dua-duanya adalah long action. Jadi, sebelum dan sesudahnya harus memakai simple past continuous. Contoh ya, tadi yang while I was cooking. Cooking is long action. My friend was watching TV. Watching is long action too. Nah, kalau case yang example yang pertama, itu adalah long action same at the same time. Another example is, while I was studying, my brother was listening to music. Ini termasuk dua-duanya long action happen at the same time ya. While she was cooking, her husband was setting the table. Sama ini juga long action in the same time. While they were walking to school, they were talking about the test. The same again, while we were watching a movie, the lights went out. Nah, kalau yang ini beda. Yang pertama, while we were watching itu long action, tapi the lights went out is like suddenly happen, so it is short action. Jadi itu short ya, action tidak long. Nah, kalau ini beda. Kemudian, while the teacher was explaining is long action, some students were taking notes. Oke, kalau ini sama dua-duanya long action. While I was reading a book, my phone rang. Nah, kalau ini dia mix with short action. Nah, kalau dia short action tidak boleh memakai past continuous. Harus memakai simple past tense, yaitu pakai verb to atau past tense verb. While he was driving is long action, it started to rain. Nah, started to rain itu termasuk short action. Nah, jadi kesimpulannya adalah untuk penggunaan while kamu bisa ada dua opsi. Pertama, either both of them is long action. Jadi kita pakai past continuous after while atau sesudah while juga. Kan ada dua grammar ya dalam satu kalimat. Yang kedua adalah yang satu long action, satunya lagi itu short action. Ketika ada short action, berarti kamu tidak boleh memakai past continuous dua-duanya. Jadi yang pertama saja yang pakai past continuous, setelahnya itu adalah pakai past tense verb. Tadi seperti contoh, while he was driving itu kan long action ya, driving. It started to rain. Nah, rainnya itu kayak suddenly happen tapi cuma short action, tiba-tiba terjadi ya. Nah, itu untuk penggunaan while ya. After this, we are going to learn about how to use when. Oh iya, satu lagi nih sebelum kita membahas when. Jadi sebenarnya kalau untuk while itu kamu boleh taruh di depan atau di tengah ya. Jadi nggak harus while I was studying itu harus di depan, tidak. Boleh dibalik, misalnya my brother was listening to music while I was studying. Bedanya kalau kamu taruh while di depan itu tengah-tengahnya kamu kasih koma. Tapi kalau while I was studying-nya itu setelah di kalimat kedua itu tidak usah pakai koma. Okay, next when. When is a short action. When is used for a short action. Something that happens suddenly or once. Tadi sebelumnya kita bahas ya, kalau when itu adalah short actionnya. Meaning a short action happen during or interrupts a long action. Example, I was cooking when my friend arrived. I was cooking itu kan long action. Nah, kita pakai when nih sebagai connectorsnya. Nah, setelah when itu kan harus short action. Jadi when my friend arrived. Nah, arrive itu kan tiba-tiba dia datang ya, jadi dia short. She was sleeping, itu long action. Nah, ketika kita tambahkan when di tengah-tengah, when the phone rang, dia jadinya short action. When the phone rang, karena telepon itu berdering ya, bisa secara mendadak beberapa detik aja. Nah, tipnya when short action happen during a long action. Jadi biasanya dia itu selalu terjadi di waktu yang ada kegiatan yang lama, long action. Kayak tadi, she was sleeping when the phone rang gitu. Nah, bisa nggak sih kalau dua-duanya short? Kemungkinan jarang terjadi ya, walaupun sebenarnya ada di dalam conversation bahasa Inggris. Tapi seringnya when ini combine dengan long action gitu. Kalau tadi kan while boleh ya, dua-duanya itu long action boleh. Nah, kalau when ini case-nya kalau dua-duanya short action bisa, cuman kayak jarang terjadi gitu. Biasanya dia mix itu dengan yang long action ya, kayak I was cooking when my friend arrived, or I was playing football when my friend called me. Nah, gitu. Oke, example of when. Kita ambil contoh lain lagi ya. Misal, I was sleeping when the phone rang. She was cooking when her friend arrived. They were watching TV when the power went out. The power went out, short action. He was walking home when it started to rain. We were eating dinner when the guests came. The students were talking when the teacher entered the class. I was taking a shower when someone knocked on the door. She was reading a book when her cat jumped on the table. He was driving when he saw an accident. They were playing football when it got dark. Itu yang saya highlight, itu adalah short action ya. Tapi sebelum ada short action itu adalah long action. Yang tidak saya highlight itu long action. Yang saya highlight di sini setelah kata when itu adalah short action. Jadi ini rata-rata dari nomor 1 contohnya sampai nomor 10 dia itu mix ya, long action and short action. Oke. Nah, actually kuncinya itu satu guys, kalian hafal gitu. Kalau misalnya short action berarti past tense, long action berarti past continuous tense. Nah, identiknya apa? Berarti dia pakai while kalau continuous. Kalau when itu short memakai simple past tense. Nah, kuncinya untuk simple past tense kalian harus sudah hafal ya. Past tense verb itu apa saja, kayak see jadi saw, visit jadi visited. Beberapa ada regular verb dan irregular verb. Ada yang cuma ditambah ed atau dia berganti ya. Kalau berganti kayak eat, ate, nah itu dia ganti. Oke, time for quiz. 1. I blank blank TV when my mom blank blank called me. Ini dari nomor 1 sampai nomor 10 ada past simple or past continuous tense. Ada yang menggunakan when dan menggunakan while. Ada long action dan short action. So actually guys, you have to find the answer which one using past simple or past continuous tense in using while and when. So you have to pick between the best answer ya. Karena ini bisa jadi satu kalimat itu long action dua-duanya, atau bisa jadi dia mix antara long action and short action. Okay. So based on those questions, do you know the answer?